can ride disco, superstar disco. We can ride looking like a super fly disco. And you can ride disco, and we can fly disco. And you can ride looking like a super fly disco. We can ride disco, superstar disco. We can ride looking like a super fly disco.
So we are actually removing our rear seats. First things first, we actually had to loosen this up because this thing was stopping it from popping this one open. Oh, there you go. She popped it open using what tool did you use?
A pry tool.
A pry tool.
There's some clips down here.
Yeah. There you go. So we finally removed this piece right here. And this is how it looks like. Oh my gosh, it is so dirty. So we are using a half impact manual tool, and we're using a number 18.
So we got our half impact driver because it's taking us forever.
There you go. That was fast. See how fast that was?
I know.
We are now removing this part right here.
Yeah, there's a clip.
There's the clip right there, and just pulled it out. So we have 2 bolts under this chair, and we are using a number 13. So we're now trying to remove
A pin here.
a pin there. So we just finished removing this. Wow, this one was really hard to do. We had to get the machine impact, half impact driver to remove that. So now we're going to remove this piece right here. Finally remove the chair.
Yeah.
So for you to remove it, you have to remove this seatbelt right there, just to remove this piece right here. Wow, it's really dirty.
Yeah.
So we finally removed it. So we are now removing that piece right there.
Just a clip.
The clip.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, so this is how it looks like.
Now we can unbuckle.
Unbuckle. Oh, that's it. There you go. Goodbye seatbelt sensors.
There you go.
We're now removing 4 bolts here. 2 here. Oh no, actually 3 bolts. Yeah. So we got 2 bolts here, and then 1 bolt down there. We just finished removing the 2 screws here, and we're working on the 3rd one right there. So this is the last part, and this is the hardest part. If you cannot remove this thing ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.
So
It's like a pin.
yeah, so what we're doing is we're using this pry tool to move this piece right here. We almost got it out.
Yeah.
Just a few more push or opening of this piece. So we kind of finished cleaning this. It's a lot cleaner than it was earlier. So this is how it looks like with the rear seat deletes. A lot more space. Way more space. We are putting this piece here.
We're just gonna try and see.
We're gonna try and see how it looks like.
Yeah, like what's our options?
Yep. All right. So this is our new rear seat delete. Looks like. Look at all this space that we now have. Alright guys, so this is our spot right here, and these are awesome neighbors. There's only 2 or 3 modern cars here. Here's our neighbor to our left. Look at this, another 1/4 mile. This thing is loud, guys. Look at this Nomad right here. Look how beautiful the paint is, the wheels, the interior. Oh my gosh, wow. His engine bay, oh damn. This is our flex right here. This is the flex that we're getting. We're getting a higher flex here because we're in a steep slope. We're in a slope. Yeah. So this is how our place looks like right now, or our stance. We're back here at In-N-Out. We got ourselves some animal fries and some double. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this.
We can ride this, we can this, we can ride. You can ride looking like a super fly disco. You can ride looking like a super fly disco.
And it's actually sprinkling right now. And these are all of our neighbors right here in front of us and beside us.